Hello business and process owners, greetings of the day. I'm Khagesh Mahanta, the Principal Consultant of Aspirations Corporate, a micro startup providing multi-management systems consulting, training, coaching, tutoring and process documentation support, mainly on lean manufacturing. We have come up with the Lean Systems Sustenance Assurance Program for organizations like yours. The scope of the program is an organization or department of any domain, either in the manufacturing or service organization, service sector, may take the benefits of the program with the necessary customization. So for lean manufacturing systems, if we implement in service organizations, so necessary customizations will be made so that only the relevant things are implemented. Now let's try to understand the usefulness of this sustenance program. Means how is the Lean System Sustenance Assurance Program so important and useful for your organization? Point-wise, we will try to understand. Firstly, due to this Sustenance Assurance Program, the Lean system in your organization will remain streamlined, resulting in waste minimization and profit maximization. Secondly, your organization's premises will always remain clean, tidy, and organized because every section of your organization will get schedules to be followed daily, weekly, monthly, half-yearly, and yearly. Labeling of items, equipment, stations, stocks, and marking of ways and subways will always remain updated. Retrievability and identification of items, documents, and files in your organization will remain easy. There will be better utilization of every square foot area of your organization. The breakdown of the machines and equipment and the chance of accidents related to the machines and the equipment in your organization will become minimal. Every machine and equipment will be well taken care of by the consult teams due to the TPM implementation. Every item on your organization's premises will remain at its specified place. The OK and rejected waste and unused items will remain segregated. Rejected and waste items will be placed in the defined red area, and those items will be disposed of regularly as per the disposal plan. There will be a better safety at your organization's premises. The gaps between two consecutive changeovers or gaps between two processes will become the minimum. Your organization will become a visual factory. There will be continual improvement initiatives at your premises all the time. The ambience of your organization's premises will always remain great. Raw materials and work in progress will be made available at the right place, at the right time, not earlier or later. Work priorities will be set, displayed, and updated, facilitating timely completion and delivery of items. Your organization's premises will be divided into small, self-contained units called cells for better efficiency and flexibility of work. There will be a standard operating procedure called SOP for every process of your organization. Every SOP will be enhanced by a detailed process flow diagram. And there are so many other benefits. Now, let's see the curriculum. The program will be started with a gap study and analysis in terms of lean system at your organization or department. Duration will be 1 or 2 days, depending upon the size of the organization or department. Then submission of the gap report to the management. It will happen within 24 hours of the gap study. There will be an introductory session for the employees, contract employees, and the top management. Duration may be 2 to 8 hours, depending on the size of the organization or department. Then refresher training for all on 6S. So we are adding safety also in 5S. Then that will be as per the schedule. After the refresher training is over for all the lean tools, then there will be a formation of key sustenance support team. Then management assurance support plan will be finalized. So in coordination with the key people of your organization. And monthly sustenance session, maybe 2 or 4 sessions every month. So that will continue, because if there is no sessions, and the sustenance may get hampered. So every month, depending on the convenience, there may be 2 to 4 sessions. So there will be internal audit section wise once in every 6 months. So it may take 2 to 4 days, depending on the size of the organization. For registration for the program, please send a message to training.aspirationscorp@gmail.com. We will revert as soon as possible to complete the registration process. Thank you for watching. Have a great time.